15 Secret Business that will make you $10,000 in year 2024. Virtual reality experience services. Immersive virtual reality experiences are no longer confined to the realm of gaming. Entrepreneurs can tap into the potential of VR by offering diverse experiences, from virtual travel adventures that transport users to exotic locations to customized gaming experiences that cater to individual preferences. To illustrate, consider a business specializing in virtual travel experiences. Utilizing high-quality VR technology, users can explore famous landmarks, picturesque landscapes, and historical sites without leaving the comfort of their homes. The key lies in creating an experience that goes beyond visual appeal, incorporating elements like sound and interaction to make users feel truly immersed. Personalized health and fitness plans. In an era where health and wellness take center stage, entrepreneurs can capitalize on the demand for personalized health and fitness plans. This business venture involves crafting customized plans that cater to individual health goals, dietary preferences, and fitness levels. For example, a personalized health and fitness business could offer tailored meal plans and workout routines. Utilizing advanced algorithms and health data, the business could create plans that adapt to the individual's progress, providing a dynamic and personalized approach to wellness. Remote team building workshops. As the workforce continues to embrace remote work, the need for effective team building becomes paramount. Entrepreneurs can seize this opportunity by specializing in remote team building workshops, offering engaging activities and strategies to enhance teamwork and boost morale. A successful remote team building business goes beyond generic activities. It involves tailoring workshops to meet the unique needs and challenges of remote teams. For instance, virtual escape rooms, online collaborative challenges, and team-building games designed for virtual platforms can create a sense of camaraderie among team members. Eco-friendly beauty products. The beauty industry is undergoing a transformative shift toward sustainability, presenting entrepreneurs with the opportunity to create eco-friendly beauty products. This venture involves crafting skincare, makeup, and hair care products that prioritize sustainability, cruelty-free practices, and environmentally conscious packaging. To illustrate, consider a business specializing in organic skincare. Utilizing ethically sourced ingredients and eco-friendly packaging, the brand can position itself as a champion of sustainability. The emphasis on cruelty-free testing practices further aligns with the values of environmentally conscious consumers. Subscription box for hobbies. Catering to niche interests through curated subscription boxes has become a popular and profitable business model. Entrepreneurs can explore this avenue by creating subscription boxes tailored to specific hobbies, providing enthusiasts with a regular dose of tailored products and experiences. For instance, a subscription box for gourmet cooking enthusiasts could include unique ingredients, exclusive recipes, and kitchen gadgets. By curating a selection that aligns with the recipient's culinary preferences, the business creates a personalized and enjoyable experience. Augmented reality, AR, consultancy. As augmented reality, AR, continues to advance, entrepreneurs can position themselves as experts in AR consultancy. This business venture involves guiding businesses in integrating augmented reality into their products and services, unlocking new dimensions of customer engagement and experience. To illustrate, consider a retail business looking to implement AR for enhanced customer experiences. An AR consultant could provide insights into creating virtual try-on experiences for clothing or utilizing AR to showcase product features. Online language learning platforms. In the globalized landscape of 2024, the demand for language learning remains constant. Entrepreneurs can capitalize on this by creating online platforms that facilitate language learning through innovative methods, catering to the needs of individuals seeking to acquire new language skills. A successful online language learning platform goes beyond traditional methods, incorporating interactive elements and personalized learning experiences. Utilizing gamification, virtual conversations with native speakers, and adaptive learning algorithms can enhance the effectiveness of language acquisition. Smart home technology installation. With the increasing adoption of smart home technology, there's a growing demand for professional installation services. Entrepreneurs can establish a business specializing in smart home technology installation, offering expertise in setting up and customizing connected devices for homeowners. To succeed in this venture, staying abreast of the latest smart home technologies is crucial. From smart lighting and thermostats to security systems and voice-activated assistants, the business should offer comprehensive installation services for a seamless and integrated smart home experience. Personal cybersecurity consulting. As concerns about online security continue to rise, there's a growing need for personalized cybersecurity consulting services. Entrepreneurs can position themselves as experts in personal cybersecurity, guiding individuals and businesses in safeguarding their digital assets and sensitive information. The success of a personal cybersecurity consulting business hinges on staying ahead of evolving cybersecurity threats. Offering services such as personalized security assessments, secure password management strategies, and guidance on encryption technologies ensures clients receive tailored solutions to enhance their digital security. Virtual interior design services. Helping individuals transform their living spaces with virtual interior design services represents a business opportunity in the digital age. Entrepreneurs can utilize technology to create virtual renderings, provide design recommendations, and offer a convenient and innovative approach to interior design. In this venture, leveraging augmented reality, AR, or virtual reality, VR, technologies can enhance the customer experience. Clients can virtually walk through their redesigned spaces, visualizing the proposed changes before making any physical alterations. Customized pet care products. For pet lovers, a business specializing in customized pet care products offers a unique and appealing proposition. Entrepreneurs can explore this venture by creating a range of personalized pet accessories, nutrition plans, and grooming products that cater to the individual needs of pets. To illustrate, consider a business that offers customized pet nutrition plans. By collecting information about the pet's breed, age, health conditions, and dietary preferences, the business can create tailored nutrition plans that address specific dietary requirements. This personalized approach ensures that pets receive nutrition that aligns with their unique needs. Online personal branding workshops. In the digital age, personal branding has become a crucial aspect of professional success. Entrepreneurs can offer online workshops guiding individuals in building and enhancing their personal brand, covering aspects like social media presence, content creation, and networking. The success of online personal branding workshops lies in providing practical and actionable insights. Offering step-by-step guidance on creating a compelling personal brand story, optimizing LinkedIn profiles, and developing a consistent online presence empowers participants to strategically build their personal brands. Digital detox retreats. In a world dominated by digital connectivity, the concept of digital detox retreats has gained traction. Entrepreneurs can create a business that organizes and hosts digital detox retreats, providing individuals with an opportunity to disconnect, recharge, and focus on well-being through curated retreat experiences. E-sports coaching. With the booming popularity of e-sports, there's a growing demand for skilled coaches. Capitalize on this trend by offering e-sports coaching services, helping aspiring gamers enhance their skills and compete at a higher level. NFT art consultancy. Explore the world of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, by offering consultancy services to artists. Guide them in navigating the NFT art market, creating and selling digital art in this innovative and lucrative space. Conclusion. In the realm of entrepreneurship, the journey to $10,000 in 2024 is paved with innovation, determination, and strategic decision-making. If you find this video interesting, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe for more.